Everybody, look at here, look at here, look at here. What's up, my BAMS gang? You already know what it is, the chicken wing, okay? My BAMS gang eat some chicken wings. Or pull up a chair because I am starving and we're going to jump right in, okay? Now, if you're wondering, this is Jack's Chicken. It's the cornerstone. Everybody knows, okay? We are hungry. All right, so we're going to get some of their hot sauce, which I believe is just some red hot. We got some ranch because we got some JoJo's. I got some chicken wings here. I don't know how many I have, but I'm going to eat as much as I can. We got some buttermilk ranch for the potatoes. I really want to eat these last because you already know about them big fat JoJo's. Look at that. Yes. Now I don't got Tabasco because I'm not trying to burn my mouth to death right now. These are really hot. So good. Chicken and ranch. I'm sorry if you watching me and got no food. Well, at least you know what you're gonna eat tonight. Some chicken. You guys, comment down below. Let me know if you like the flats or the drums. JoJo's. Woo! I forgot my water. Delish. Now, if you're a YouTuber like me, you will see that there is some drama in the community. There's a challenge out there called the singing challenge where you have to sing through your whole meal. I wonder if I could do that. Between Q and Be Lovely. Now they both some mukbangers just like me. And this beef has caused a tragedy. I think I might like flats. I don't know. I don't want to choose. I think I might like flats, but you know the drums got more meat on it. But the drums are hard to, you know, get off all the meat. These are fresh. Okay, so just in case you don't know, Beloved Life is the lady who be eating her seafood boil and be smacking. Okay? And then Cutie Q, she's similar to her. She eats a large amount of food for the camera. Very spiritual young lady. Very uplifting. She believes in manifestation. And she looks up to Beloved. You know, she's trying to get up there where Beloved is at. They came together to do a collab. And that is where everything went bad. Cutie Q felt some kind of way. She wasn't comfortable. That's what she said. I need help with my rhyming, so hit the like button. Cutie Q, her vibe is so high. She went over to Beloved house to do a collaboration with some chicken wings and some seafood boil. And everybody wasn't on her level. So she kind of felt some kind of way. But she took it as if she was being treated some kind of way. I think that's called a misperception. She perceived it wrong. Anyway, during this whole collaboration and doing the video of the chicken wings, Cutie Q said nothing but good and positive stuff about Beloved. You can go watch the videos. So when I seen them on the screen together, I was happy because I love Cutie Q and I love Beloved. They're the one who's inspired me. Look, chicken wings. Beloved love her some chicken wings. Now Beloved is a little bit bigger than Cutie Q, but it's okay. Ain't nobody hating. 6 months later, after they collaborated, 6 months later, Cutie Q comes out with this video that just came out recently. Talking about, I just did some new collab with some different people, and I was treated way better than I was when I was with Beloved. And then she started giving out the details about her experience at Beloved's house. But she mainly focused it on the husband and the son. You know, they put their nose up to her and made her feel belittled. No, girl. I think what had happened, in my opinion, what had happened, she came over. Nobody knew she was coming. Well, the son didn't know she was coming. So when he walks down the stairs and see her in the house, he's like, "Hi, like I don't really know you, but hi, welcome to my house." And then she said that the husband wasn't even paying her no attention. But the husband's not really, he's off to the side. He's always doing the camera work. He was in the studio. And since he didn't come out and, say hello when she first walked in, she thought, she was being treated some kind of way. No, honey poo poo. When you go into somebody else's presence, you have to make adjustments. They got to make adjustments too. And as far as I know, they did make adjustments for you. They let you stay at the house. Y'all was drinking together. She put you a lighter shirt on when you was feeling hot during the video. I can understand Cutie Coo a little bit. Unfortunately, it just made her look so bad. I think Beloved wasn't extra okie dokie like she thought she was going to be when she got there. I mean, extra okie dokie. She was just regular herself. So when Kitty Q got there, she was all way up here. Everybody else down here doing their regular old same old thing. Kitty Q thought she was being treated some kind of way. But Cutie Q has only really realized that her feelings were validated when she when she went on some more collabs and realized that she can be treated okie dokie. She's treated way up here. But that don't mean you were treated bad. I don't know. I told myself I wasn't going to talk about this during my mukbang. I'm getting full, y'all. Look, one left. Sorry about my bones. That's probably ugly. Well, if you haven't done already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I will be here. I'm trying to put one out every day. Let me know what you want to see. I think I'll do some Taco Bell. If you haven't already, go binge on my videos. Get your popcorn and binge on my videos. Chicken was fire. Now I'm thirsty as heck. JoJo will get you full. Yeah, I'm going to stop right here. I'm going to have to stop right here. Thank you for watching me enjoy my food. Comment, like, and subscribe. comment, like, and subscribe. Until next time, you guys. Bye.